Is it recording? Oh, it is. AU2, Ralph got this 92. We got this 3.5 horse Briggs & Stratton here. Runs awesome. Just gonna do some maintenance on it. I'm just gonna tear down the whole motor right to the block because the person that had this motor before ran it without oil, like for like 2 lawn mows, and he got a decent sized lawn. So I'm gonna take it apart. I'm gonna check the bearings on the crankshaft, cylinder for scoring, piston for scoring, the wrist pin, cam, everything, all that. So I just want to make sure it's in good shape because you know it's a good motor. I can use it for something. Fancy ass exhaust we want. So plus you can just see what's inside these motors. They're pretty cool. Really simple. Just on a ratchet. That one. Get my handy little socket adapter for my drill, so I can put sockets on my drill. Find out what size. Oh, I gotta drain the oil out of it. I gotta get it off the base first. That the ghetto ass base I made for it. Hold on to me. Whatever will be, will be. Let me find out what size these are. Yeah, if you can hear the music and it sounds really screwed up because it is screwed up, I had to replace the belt on the record player, and it's some weird ass size. Yeah, I use rubber band, and it works fine, but it's just not working right. So let me get this off. And that sounds like my drill needs to be charged because it's struggling. Don't tell me that's all holding the motor on. No, the gas cane's been vibrating. Is that it? Is it? Oh, damn it, there's one under the gas tank. I gotta take the gas tank apart. Well, let's take that shroud off anyway. There we go. 3/8. Took the adapter with it. Wow. Air filter. Clean that out. Anything interesting in there? Nope. Gas tank's completely empty, actually. I remember that. It was a 1/2 inch. This 1/2 inch? Yes. Sometimes you just gotta use low range to get it broken loose. That one. Put the thing with it again. It's only a little magnetic one. This. There we go. Wow. Look at that one so tight. Yeah, my drill needs a charge. So, carburetor comes off. Remove the governor linkage spring thingy. Don't want to lose that because that's what keeps this motor running. If I can get the thing off, that'd be great. There we go. Oh, I lost it. There it is. Okay. Can't lose these little springs that go on to the governor, or else you're going to have a real fun time trying to figure out why your motor surges and revs like an idiot. Ooh, that's nice. Come on. Cool. That's nice. What's in this gas tank? Anything interesting? gas. Kind of dirty in there. Have to swish it out. Clean it up. What's this? Just some freaking random piece of metal is gonna fall down or what? I guess so. Oh, emissions. I hate emissions. Ooh, what's this? Okay. Will the shroud come off? Of course not. Why would it? I have it, that's why. What's that put on with? That is put on with a very small bolt. Nope. These will work. Nope. This work. For you. There we go. I don't know why. I think my drill battery's going dead. Oh, damn it. Someone bolts and crap on these things. I don't even know what this one's used for. Part of the head. Here's the cooling housing. Shroud. Some grass and stuff shoved up in there. That's nice. Now I can get to that bolt. Can't break that linkage. That's for the governor. Don't want to break that. Okay. Nope. Yep. Very loose. It's bad. Boy, I have a fun time trying to get those stupid little studs that hold the block down. I had one break off and it was rusted in there. I had to heat it up, soak it in PB black. Oh my god! I ended up welding a nut on it, just breaking it off. So, well, there's definitely some good blow by in there. Cause I can. Here, I'll put it on the compression. Compression starts right there. A lot of blow by. Okay. That's a really ghetto base. Get me a ratchet. Oh, here's a hint for these small motors. Oh, my eyes are drying out. These little drain plugs right here for the oil. Use a 3/8 ratchet. Fits right in there. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? Then you can just turn it the way you need to turn it to get it to come on. I must have tightened this one up real nice. Okay. There ain't that much oil in this, so I don't think it'll be pouring out. If it does, that's nice. Okay, there's nothing coming out of this. It's all on that side of the block. Ooh. Look at that. Pure black, and it's got little shiny metallic things in it. What color that oil be coming out of this motor? Ugh. That's nasty. There is oil in this, but it definitely looks disgusting. It looks like there's water and gas and everything mixed in with it. It's like gray. That's nasty. I bet these rings on this motor are total. There's a bunch of little bubbles and shiny metallic things and different layers. Oh, that's nasty. Little chunkies in there too. Give me a minute while the rest of this oil comes out. Where would you be now? Alright, I think that's good. Let's get the bottom of this block off of here. Like I was saying, look at that oil. That's nasty. Look at all the different layers. It's really watery. Oh, I'm gonna have to put new oil in this. Alright, I did an oil change on this a couple months ago. I've only ran it like 3 or 4 times since then. And that oil was already that nasty color. If this motor still runs good, I'm going to, I got a rotary tool. I'm going to get a little diamond cutting thing. I'm going to do what someone did on YouTube. I'm going to round out the eyebrows for the valves so it allows more fuel in and exhaust out faster. It has steel cam. I think this one has a plastic camshaft. It's really retarded. But that's on there tight. Oh! Yeah, I'm going to have to use my ratchet for that one. Okay. Oh, where's all this oil coming from? Oh, the crankcase freezer. Oh well. Where's my numbers? There they are. Wrong way, I think. Best shot. Nope. Wow. There we go. Don't forget. Come on. Come on. Cooperate. Don't be a jackass. Thank you, crankcase breather, for leaking oil all over the place. That sounded healthy. What just broke? That's nice and bent. Oh well. Now a little hint, if these blocks don't come apart, it's because they're stuck. Just get a little rubber mallet and just give them a couple love taps and they'll come right out. Mine, like I said, I've already had mine apart, so I don't need to do this. But I'm going to take this linkage right out of here. I don't know which way it goes on. See? Mine just comes right out. Oh yeah, plastic camshafts. What a stupid idea. Ooh. That's bad. Ugh. Whoa. I need a rag. This is in rough shape. Part of the gasket missing. Hit me with your best shot. Fire up. While I'm up, I gotta flip the record. Flip that record. I'll put this down to minimize oil on the floor. Come on. Stay in one place. There you go. Excuse me. Let's get these bolts out. That was easy. I'm gonna rinse this baby out. This is disgusting. This shouldn't be in this motor. There's a lot of little flakies, and it actually has a rough excuse me, a rough texture to it. Let me flip that record. I hate working without music. Believe it or not, it slows me down. Playing Pure Rock. It's a compilation album from like the 70s. It's got heart and everything. It's awesome. There you go. Let that baby play. Oops. So, take a look at this disgusting block. You can see in there all the little shiny things other than the glare. Look at that. Look at that. You can see there's a texture inside that. That's bad. That tells me this motor isn't getting enough oil, or the person that had it before beat the crap out of it. I'm gonna rinse that out for sure. This is an aluminum block, so it don't rust. Plus, it's gonna be covered in oil, so it really won't rust. So we'll rinse that out later on. I've always wondered what this thing right here is, and I finally figured it out. This thing right here attaches to your camshaft, and these little arms on this spin, and that's what splashes oil around in the block to lubricate everything. Pretty cool design. Camshaft is shoved underneath the friggin' gear. What the hell? Oh, the key on there, okay. I was wondering, why was that? Okay, now why is the camshaft stuck? Probably on a stroke for the... It's probably got a valve pushed open right now. Yeah, it does. There we go. It was pushing on a valve, so I couldn't get it out. Look how cute these lobes are. Look at these little lobes. Aren't those cute? Who makes a plastic camshaft? Stupid idea. Some weak valve springs. I'll tell you that. Oh yeah, listen to that drive-by, blow-by. Any rod knock? Or nope, those bearings are tight. Of course, there's side-to-side movement on the crankshaft, but that's straightened out by the piston. That's a little piston. Oh. So, I'm sorry this video is so long, but I'm gonna get, what's this? Governor linkage, dipstick. I'm gonna get little push rods. Get these push rods out of here. Doesn't matter what side the push rods go on because they're both the same length. Those are steel. I'll get this bearing end off. Hope I got a socket that size because it'll look pretty small. Nope. Where's the rest of my sockets? Got one right here. Oh, there it is. Nope, those all look like they're the wrong size. So, I think this one will fit. Oh, one size up. And that fit like a glove. Oh my! The leftover oil in this is watery. Very watery. My ratchet won't fit. There it goes. What? 8mm? That's a lot. Oh my! No, I can't get into it. I'm gonna have to get another ratchet for this. Let me go get another ratchet with the right drive size. Oh, where is it? Oh, here it is. A little stubby one. This is a really handy little tool. It's a double-sided ratchet. It's got a 1/4 and a 3/16 drive. It's pretty awesome. And it's small, so it fits in tight areas. Wow, that's strong. I'm going to turn it around. Turn this over. There we go. Taking the bearing off the bottom. Take a look at those little bearing insert things. Make sure they're not spun or something. How nice would that be? Oop, I turned this by accident. Those are fine threads. Oh, well, it looks like you can put longer head bolts on this. There's one bearing thing. Yeah, let's start it up. Wouldn't that be a great idea? Screw you, Governor. No one likes you. Oh, there's little bubbles forming on the piston because there's blow-by. More blow-by than what it should have. Frankly, it shouldn't have any at all. The thing I like about working on motors, oil like internal. There's oil on all the bolts and stuff, so they don't rust and they're easy to get out. Unless someone tightens the ever-living piss out of them. Second bearing. It's not coming apart. Just give it a little tap. There we go. Oh, these don't have inserts? Stuck right on the bearing, I guess. Yeah, minor scoring, not anything bad, just regular wear and tear. I can't pull the flywheel, which sucks. I don't have a puller. Crankshaft looks good. Pull up. Can I pull that piston down? Oh, I can just take the piston out of the top. Let's get the head off. Let me pour the rest of that nasty ass oil in there. Give me a minute here. There we go. Got the oil out. The rest of it anyway. I'll get this head off. I'll just use this. Oh, I'll just use this. Hands are all oily. Can't really grab anything. There's ½ inch, right? Yep. Took it off and put it back on. Loose. I'm just going to loosen them up and then get the rest of them with my drill. Make this process faster. Why is this? Ow, I hurt. Hit my something. Do I have a socket that fits that spark plug? I think I do. I hope so. Oh yes. Oh, nice. There goes that little thingy. Let's just get a hammer and give it a quick tap. Like that. Oh, it looks like it's been burning clean. Make sure it's loose, 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 loose. I'm just going to use my hammer. Break them out, break them loose. I have to straighten these parts out when I'm done because they're all getting bent. I'll use the drill, get the rest of them out. That's nice. Now I fixed it. Oh, didn't I wire? Yeah, I wire wheeled the head on this. It's got like all pretty smooth edges now. Awesome. Now I should be able to take that. Ooh. Ooh, that's a nasty looking piston. Let's just take it out. Oh, there's oil going everywhere. Pop that piston out of there. Hope I don't need a piston ring compressor, because I don't have one. What the heck? Why doesn't this come out the top? That exhaust valve looks like it's been burning hot. There's letters on the piston. Oop. First compression ring. I might have real fun getting those back in there. Ooh, second ring. There we go. Got the piston out. Oh, look how cute that is. Wow. A lot of scoring. Bubble. Oh, that's not a bubble. What is that? I don't know. Oh my god! The underside of the piston has rust in it. Well, the rod looks good. I might get a wire wheel and just wire wheel the top of the piston. These rings have a sharp edge on them. Well, that wrist pin definitely in good shape. No, there's no scores on it or scratches or anything at all. Bearing's good. Like I said, just regular wear and tear on them. How many of those valves out? I think Pop-Up's got a valve removing tool. A little suction cup, just come right out. Yeah. Oh well. On the top of that piston. Carbon. Yeah, that's those scrapes I just got out of the screwdriver and just pushed carbon off. When I got it, it was bad. But you can look. There's definitely scoring on that piston. Not the sideways ones, but yeah, you can see it now. Up and down the sides. Not much better. But I think those rings are good. Just worn out. Cylinder. It's got some damage. I can feel nice big gouges right in the cylinder. I can see them too. Pretty nasty. See if we can get a view of that for you. Inside that boy. I can get the light on it. Oh, I got oil going on me. Oh well, you can see the bottom of the screen right here. That's a nice gash right along the cylinder. Yep. Pretty jacked up. Oh, what the hell? Is that like bad? Oh, okay, there we go. Just the stupid magnets. How are those bearings? A little tight. Oh, unless it's just rubbing on something. Oh, it's catching on the magnets for the magneto. Yeah, that scraping noise, if you hear a scraping noise, it's the magnet for the coil is just gently rubbing the flywheel. But the actual bearings themselves seem fine. That's not good, is it? Look. Unless that's normal play. But, oh, it's an OEM Briggs & Stratton crank, because there's a Briggs & Stratton thing on there. Let me see if I can go find that valve puller thing. can't find it. I don't know how I'm gonna get those valves out. Found it in here somewhere. God knows where it is now. Because you know I need to use it. Oh wait, I can't pull them anyway. I gotta get the valve springs out. Nah, screw the valve springs. Valves look fine. I can just get in here and push them open. Oh, maybe I can't. Look at the little pushy things. I'm gonna just slap one in there real quick and push it up. See what the valve looks like. They look fine. Wow, I gotta take these valves right out of here. Where's the seat? Oops. Where'd it go? Where the hell did it go? 1, 2, 3. On the intake hook. Come on. Find that damn hole again. Oh my god. Where the piston hasn't touched the cylinder, it's still shiny, crisscross patterns. You can still see the milling marks. Well, I'll have to get my rotary tool and I'll go around that. I'll have to get right on the edge. Just smooth it out a little bit. It looks like it don't even really need much. Just a little bit. Scratch fever. Well, that's it. It was good. I wish I had a bigger cam though, because this cam is stupid. Look at this. Who puts a plastic cam in an engine? With lobes that small. Stupid. Really stupid. Plastic cord. Oh well. Looks pretty good. Where do they wash these parts? Well, they're aluminum, so I could just wash them off with water and then put some oil in them. I think I'll do that. Just go out back and rinse these off real quick. So, how small that is. So small. A little piston. I'll be back. Looks a bit better, don't it? So, I'll get this piston back in here. Oh, Christ. Come on. I'm back by myself. Oh no. That problem hurt me. Get this head gasket off. I can. Take that piston back out. Take me downtown. I just screwed up the gas tank. Oh, very nice. I will win. You watch. I've won with 2 strokes. I won with a 4-stroke. Wait, is it hitting? It is. There we go. Oh wait, can I?